Today we're going to be doing a social experiment and seeing pigs. So I have not seen the pigs yet, so let's see what they look like. Do you know what they look like?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. I dare you to touch him. Touch him, do the social experiment that makes them flip out.
Ready?
He's about to do the social experiment.
Can't open
I'm not going to be able to open it either because my tooth that I always... What the hell? Alright, touch the pigs, make them flip out. Touch. Oh my god, look at them! I'm gonna get close-ups.
it. Look at some of their legs.
Walk. Hey, do it and touch them again. I'm gonna sing a song. All of them. That walk. Hey, that walk.
Look at that one legs.
I see him. That walk. Hey, that walk. I'm gonna munch on this hot dog.